Did you know that you can rent a modern apartment in Beirut for less than $100 per night? I bet you didn't. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog, and on this episode of what I like to call the Beirut vlogs series, I am going to be showing you around the beautiful 2-bedroom apartment we rented. And we stayed there for we stayed there for 4 nights, and guess what? The host was super great, super amazing. The flat is very clean and crisp like I like it, and affordable as well. I'm going to write the link below for the apartment just in case you like the video and you like to visit Beirut. You can check it out. Now let's go see the apartment. So immediately you come in, to your left is the dining area and the living room. And the living room has a balcony. Well, I didn't even try to open the balcony because I was scared. Anyway, I really like the ochre palette with the cyan accent. Now look at that. So there's a guest toilet. I'm going to show you. It's so clean. Up next is the kitchen. Now look at that. The fridge is literally empty, right? Anyway, I really like this black countertop. The slab is nice, and yes, I had to fix that. So I don't know if you guys noticed something. There's a burner missing, but I found it somewhere else. Let me show you guys where I found it. Look at it over there. Isn't that funny? Anyway, zoom out and show you guys properly. Okay. Now let's go check the room. So there's a door, and when you enter the door, there's a tiny hallway. The first room by your right has 2 twin beds. Why did I say that? Anyway, has 2 twin beds, and it's quite drabby. No popping colors, but it's okay, it's fine. And then this is the master. Quite simple as well. So I noticed this burglar proof these people put in Lebanon, just like the one we put in our shops. Anyway, this is a bedroom. And yes, this is a bathroom. See the shower cubicle. See, emphasis on clean apartment. This apartment is really, really, really clean. So that is why I'm even recommending. And the fact that the lady is really friendly. She's friendly and, hospitable. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. And like I said, this is our 4th apartment in Lebanon, and so far so good. This is the best. This was the best apartment. And did I mention the velvety fabric? Anyway, I will catch you guys later. I might show you, we might do a beach vlog in Beirut, or maybe some nights sugar crawl. I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.